looking so pumped and pimped at the same time. We have the same. Oh, you might say that's cool. That's cool. Yeah, that's awesome. Anyways, we're gonna find how much you're wearing. Okay? Is that okay today?
That's okay.
Anyways, may I ask you, is that a real Nike or just fake Nikes?
These are real.
Real?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. How much is that one?
Which one? This one?
The Nikes, yeah.
This one you can't find it anywhere, only from my website.
Oh wow! So that means you make an order to get them. Okay,
Yes, I
okay,
do.
cool. So how much did you? I mean, is it customized one?
Yeah.
Okay. How much is it?
Roughly, like minimum, you can have it for $2K.
Oh, $2K.
Dollars.
Okay, that's good. And the pants is it? What is it?
This is the tracky pants.
Okay.
It's good for those people who does workout,
Okay.
especially in the cold weather.
Okay.
So this one also you can get from my website.
Okay.
If you're interested, please go on my bio. You will see the link.
Guys, her name on TikTok is Ada
140.
140. Okay, cool. And how much you say it costs again?
This one is cheaper compared to the shoes.
Okay.
So this one is 1K.
1K pants, guys. That's good. That's good.
Yeah.
I like it. I like the T-shirt too. It's not bad. And the blue color to my car. What's how much is this one?
Oh, this one you can see, guys. What is this animation? What cartoon is this? Yeah.
So it's like sleeping.
This one's actually good for those who like painting, like you know what I mean, like graffitis. So this one is also very expensive.
All right. Okay. Cool. Now I see. Oh, your chain.
So you still want to know how much this one?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
For sure.
This one I bought it for $500.
$500.
$500.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, you can afford it.
Just.
Okay,
Cool. Okay, sorry for touching you. I'm just gonna
It's
ask you
okay.
about this chain. It's so cool.
It is cool, I know.
Is that gold or just fake?
Oh, my friend, everything that I'm wearing is real.
Oh, real. Okay, cool. Yeah, guys, I'm sorry today I forgot my tester, my gold tester, but I will do next time. Okay.
Yeah, sure.
So how much did you buy it?
This-
It's 2,000 money.
This one, to be honest, I had to travel to India to get this one.
Mm-hmm.
Because in Australia, they don't have gold like this one.
Oh, nice.
So I went to
Guys,
India.
you can see how it's shining. Yeah, you
It's
can
like
see.
a diamond.
See, guys. Okay. Now we continue.
Yeah.
So how much did you buy? It?
This one for sure. I hope you don't die when I said the price
Nah,
of
I
this
won't.
one,
I won't.
of this thing. It costs 10K. That's what's up.
Oh, wow. 10K. Pew. You gave it away. That's 10K. Okay, that's cool. I like it. Let's continue. Oh, I see you got nice glasses.
Yes.
Too. How much is that?
Oh, check the design.
Oh, is that's a Culture King, guys?
Oh, hell no, this Chanel.
Oh, my bad, guys. My bad. It's Chanel. Okay, my bad. I'm sorry. I'm sorry for the language. Okay, so this Chanel must be expensive, guys. I guess. Let's find out how much it costs. Okay, how much is it?
This one. This one was on a sale. I'll be honest with you guys. So I bought for 7K.
7K, guys, just for the glasses, guys. So this
Chanel,
is.
don't forget.
Oh, Chanel.
Yeah.
So it's really expensive. Okay, continue on the head. So, guys, we're gonna go on the head as well. So let's talk about the head. So I see you got a extension here, right?
Yes.
Oh, look, gold, blackish.
Everything is gold.
Okay. How much did it cost to get it done and to buy it and to get it done?
Well, to buy these extensions are cheaper, but to get it done, my friend, it's so expensive.
Like how much we're talking about?
I'm pretty sure some African ladies out of there, they will know what I'm talking about.
So you can export them or?
I can export them. So this one, because it's big, it depends on the size you want. So I want the big size. So it did not take a long time for the breeder to do this. So I paid $250.
Oh, okay, that's not bad. Okay, guys, if you not see more. Oh, my bad, yo, my bad. Hang on a second. Guys, that's something.
Oh, I have a mod team there too.
Oh, we're gonna see the things. Okay.
But I don't show you. This is my privacy.
Yeah, that's for sure. So, the begging, please. I didn't see it. I was a bit, focused on the gold stuff. Yeah, my bad.
Yes.
So, how much is that one?
This one is real as well. As you can see, the company of this shit is this one, Sport.
Sport. That's a brand as well.
Yeah, that's
okay,
brand.
Cool.
Yeah.
Cool.
So this one actually, I don't know how much I bought it, but don't worry about the tag. This one is like I bought it for $100.
That's the cheapest, guys, on her. So now let's do the math, okay? $2,000, 1K, 500. Oh, I jumped 100, 500, and 7K, and 250, and 10K. How much is on total? You guys figure it out, okay? So me, I can't say any much less than this one. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned.